So excited to unpack this 10-piece set and see what we think. That was the square and the round ravioli holders, the stainless steel dumpling. This is a canvas bag with the silicone mat inside for the pastry making. Here is a ravioli wheel, the bamboo board for gnocchi, and a rolling pin. All right, silicone mat, 15.5, 19.5. Love these concentric circles for pastry measuring 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 inches. And some nice conversion reminders. Feel it's very durable. I can't rip it, feel it. The silicone is very steady. It's got a little bit of a tactile texture to it. It sticks very well to the tabletop. Food grade quality, quite impressed with that. Next, beechwood rolling pen. Feels very solid, nice. I like the tapered edges. It feels nice in my hands. It's about 11 inches long. Nice. Okay, let's take a look at that gnocchi board. Bamboo, very solid. Love that handle on the end so you can hold it at the right angle. Has some slight texturing to it. Let's see, you can see it there. Good weight, not too heavy, and then the tools that come with it to help with all of the rolling and the removal of the pastries and doughs. Very nice, like all of those. Okay, more fun tools. This is the beechwood handle rolling wheel. Movement is quite nice on that. Feels steady. It's not wobbling. You can see the texturizing and that. Quite small, about the size of my palm, but works quite well as far as rotation. It's not sticking at all. These are the ravioli stamps. Again, beechwood handle. What is that, about 3 inches by 3 inch square? And again, that texturized design feels quite nice in the hand, and the coordinating circular one as well. Again, less than the size of my palm. Again, about 3 inch, and looks like the coordinating stamp style, so you could do round and circular together and have a similar look. Cute. And finally, the 2-in-1 dumpling mold, stainless steel, about the size of my palm. It has the ridged effect on the top where you could cut out, and then it closes, so once you fill it, you can fold it on top of itself for the mold to create the dumplings. Love this. Would really speed up dumpling making and lock in sealing those edges to prevent leakage, and then depending on your dough, you can adjust that as well. Overall, this set packs a punch. There is a lot in here, great for someone who enjoys cooking, and you can store it all in this canvas bag, which is quite convenient as well. Drawstring, there we go. So between having the storage bag and then you have the rolling pin and the gnocchi makers, all of the tools, the dumpling maker, the silicone mat. I love that it all comes in one fun kit. And then when you're done, you can just put it all back in the singular bag to store it in one convenient area. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. I think this would make such a fun gift for anyone who loves cooking or just to keep in your own kitchen as well.